Hi everybody! How to fix that? When I did the baby blanket, I forgot and I closed both sides of the tube. So I end up with different length of tube because I didn't use the same yarn all the way. I just used the yarn that I have at home. So I decided to install a lifeline. To do a lifeline, you will see better here. With the yarn needle, we take a different color yarn and we just grab one half of the stitches like that, and you have to stay on the same row. If you don't stay on the same row, you will have some problem at the end. So this line will prevent you to lose all the stitches when we will cut the other side to put it smaller to match the other length of the tube. We learn when we do different kind of project. I have this example with the baby blanket, and later on this video I have another example with an open tube from my poncho video. So stay with me for till the end and you will see both difference. So I attach everything with my lifeline. I do a little bow at the end with the pink yarn, and with sharp scissors I will cut the excess that I can't save because it was closed at the end. There, cut, and now remove all the yarn excess. Remove it. There. I notice a little drop stitch, so with the hook number 4 I will go inside and grab my pink yarn and attach it together to prevent any trouble later on. So I did not attach my tube like on the right place. Maybe that's why I end up with 3 stitches, but I will just change my tail place with my yarn needle just like this, so that way I have something to close my tube at the end. So with the hook I will go grab one side like this and the other side, one side and the other side to close my tube. If I go too faster, you could visit my channel. I have a couple of videos that I show how to close a tube, and it's a little bit slower than this part, but don't worry, I will show you on the second part of this video too. So if you don't catch it right now, you will catch it later probably. So I grab all the stitches, very important. If you lose one, you will end up with drop stitch, and sometimes it's not easy to fix when we're not like a little bit pro on it. When we are newbies, it's a big trouble, so don't lose it. Take your time, you're not in a rush, not like a video. And I'm not going that fast in real life, so don't worry. So I keep getting all my stitches like that. I will slower when I arrive at the end, don't worry. But it's very important to catch every stitches. And if you're looking my yarn needle on the table, you could got them on Amazon or Walmart. It's called a wool needle pack of 3. There's no name, so it's easy to find, and it's less than $10, so it's good. I love them, and I'm not getting paid for saying that. It's only because I like those needles. There. So I'll continue. Now I will open the bow to grab all the stitches. Sorry, I'm not in the right angle, but I grab all the stitches, and with the tail I will grab the last one like that. Now it's time to remove the lifeline, the pink yarn there, and you will have to check if you don't lose any stitches. And me, I will hide this tail with a knot like that first, and hide it between the two layers. Now I have to finish the sewing of the two tubes now, because they were not on the same length, so I stopped before like 2 or 3 centimeters before the end. So now I close it and will hide the blue yarn between the two layers. Now time to go on the other example of how to reduce the length. That's finished with my baby blanket. Now I already put the lifeline out. You could see like the green yarn on the tube, just a little bit lower. So I removed the waste yarn, and now I will undo the little knot there, and I will roll the yarn so I could keep it. That's why it's better if you just sew one end of your tube when you do something to put all two together, so that way it's easier and you save some money too. So I will remove this, put it faster, slower a little bit to see everything. It grab sometimes happen. So you see how to reduce the tube. Now I will have to sew it together to finish my poncho. Not my poncho, my shawl. Poncho is one of the next video I'm working on right now, so that's why you have a little sneak peek lah. Maybe in 2 weeks I will have the poncho finished. Hard to do like every week video with big things because I'm working and it's not easy. It's a little bit challenging sometimes with the family time and work and my heart, my yarn heart. So I close like that and it will finish this shawl. So this is what the big information was today, is to show you how to fix the length of your tube when it's too long. Maybe I could find something when it's too short sometime, but not yet. But stay tuned, maybe it could happen soon. So I wish you a good day and enjoy your playing with yarn. Ciao ciao.